Do you ever feel like you're careful with money, but somehow it still disappears, like you're not making big purchases, yet your balance keeps dropping? Yeah, that usually means you're wasting money without realizing it. In this full 2026 guide, I'll show you exactly how to find it, fix it, and finally take control. Step 1, do a 60-day money audit. Download your bank and card transactions and review everything line by line, not just large purchases, every single charge. Awareness is the starting point. Next, group your spending into categories: food, subscriptions, transport, online shopping, convenience fees, entertainment. When you organize it, patterns become obvious. And yeah, sometimes uncomfortable. Now ask yourself a simple question for each category. Did this truly improve my life, or was it just convenience or boredom? A lot of wasted money falls into low-value spending that doesn't actually add long-term benefit. Here's where things get real. Take any repeated monthly expense and multiply it by 12. That $10 habit, that's $120 a year. Several small habits combined could be thousands. To stop unconscious spending, create a pause rule. For anything non-essential, wait 24 hours before buying. For larger purchases, wait 72 hours. Most impulse decisions disappear with time. Instead of letting wasted money disappear, automate a transfer into savings every time you skip a purchase. Didn't order delivery today? Move that amount into savings. This builds positive momentum. Most people only review money at the end of the month, when it's too late. Start checking weekly. A quick 5-minute review keeps spending from drifting out of control. Wasting money without realizing it isn't about being irresponsible. It's about being unconscious. When you bring awareness, structure, and small systems into your finances, waste naturally shrinks. So if money keeps slipping away, don't panic. Audit your spending, categorize it, calculate the real yearly cost, slow down impulse buys, and automate smarter habits. Do that consistently, and yeah, you'll finally stop leaking money without even noticing.
If you've worked